Hello my dear children, welcome to the maths class of standard 4. Now we are discussing the chapter fractions 2. In the previous class we discussed about finding a fraction of a number, isn't it? Yes. So today we are going to continue this topic, but we are discussing some more problems based on finding fractions. Okay children, so let's discuss the example questions. Question number 1, that is example question. Ravi has rupees 120 with him. He gave 2/3 of it to his sister. How much money is left with Ravi? Okay, question is Ravi has rupees 120 with him and he gave 2/3 of it to his sister. So children, here the amount he gave to his sister is not given. That is given as a fraction, isn't it? And you know how to find out the fraction of a number, isn't it? So here 120 is the total amount and you have to find out 2/3 of 120. Okay, to know how much rupees he gave to his sister. Okay children, so 120 into 2/3. How to write the fraction 2/3? 2 upon 3, isn't it? 2 by 3. So 120 into 2 by 3 you have to find out. Okay, 2 by 3 of 120 you have to find out. Okay, so children, here is the steps given. Amount Ravi has, that is equal to rupees 120. Amount Ravi gave his sister, that is 2/3 of 120, that is 2 by 3 of rupees 120, which is equal to of symbol shows multiplication, isn't it? Yes. So 2 into rupees 120 by 3. Okay children, now here you can divide 120 by 3 and you will get the answer 40. Okay, and after that you can simplify by multiplying 40 with 2. You will get the answer rupees 80. Okay children, so what is the amount he gave to his sister? It is rupees 80. Okay, now look at the rest of the question. How much money is left with Ravi? Okay, so now we know he gave 80 rupees to his sister. So how much money left with him? Yes, to find out this you can subtract 80 from 120, isn't it? The total amount was 120 and 80 he gave to his sister. So you can minus or subtract 80 from 120. Then you will get the answer 40. Okay, so rupees 40 is left with Ravi. Look children, here it is given, therefore rupees 40 is left with Ravi. Okay children, now let's move to example. Next example question. Reema completed 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometers. How much distance in meters has she covered? So read that once again. Reema completed 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometers. Okay, how much distance has she covered? So children, here 2 kilometers distance, she completed 1/10 of 2 kilometers. So you have to find out exactly how much distance she covered. How we can find out? Yes, you have to take 1/10 of 2 kilometers and it is given, you have to convert it into meters and then you have to find out. Okay, so 1/10 of 2 kilometers, that you can write 1 by 10 of 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers is equal to how much meter? We know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, isn't it? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So here it is 2 kilometers. So it is 2000 meter. Okay, when we are converting kilometer to meter, it is 2000 meter. Got it? Okay. Now, so children, first you have to find out 1 by 10 of 2000 meter. That is 1 by 10 into 2000 meter, and you can divide 2000 by 10 here. Okay, 2000 by 10 is 200. So you can write 200 meter. Got it, children? So therefore, Rima has covered 200 meters of the distance. Rima has covered 200 meters of the distance. Clear? Okay. Now next example question. A school auditorium has 2500 chairs. On the annual day, 4 by 5 of the auditorium was occupied. How many chairs were occupied? Okay, a school auditorium has 2500 chairs. On the annual day, 4 by 5 of the auditorium was occupied. So it is given as fraction, so you have to find out what is 4 by 5 of 2500. Okay, so then how many chairs were occupied? That is the question. You have to find out 4 by 4, what is 4 by 5 of 2500? You know, 4 by 5 of 2500 means 4 by 5 into 2500, right? Yeah. Now you can simplify. Okay, you can cancel, you can multiply, and then you can cancel, and after all the calculations you will get the answer 10,000 by 5, and then you can divide 10,000 by 5 and you will get the answer 2,000. Therefore 2,000 chairs were occupied in the auditorium. Got it, children? So here all these questions are based on finding fraction of a number. Finding fraction of a number. Okay, so this way we can answer. Now we are moving to another question, children. So the question is, Venu paints 3/6 of a cardboard and Raj paints a third of it. If the cardboard has an area of 144 square centimeter, what area of the cardboard did each of them paint? We'll read it once again. Venu paints 3/6 of a cardboard and Raj paints a third. A third means 1 by 3, right? And 3/6 is 3 by 6. If cardboard has the area 144. So children, first you have to find out 3 by 6 of 144, and then you have to find out 1/3. A third means 1 by 3, 1/3. 1/3 of 144. These two you have to find out. Okay. And then what area of the cardboard did each of them paint? That is the answer for this question. Okay children, I will show you with the steps. First one is given, fraction of the cardboard painted by Venu. Fraction of the cardboard painted by Venu, that is 3 by 6. That is given in our question. Then fraction of cardboard painted by Raj, that also given 1 upon 3 or 1 by 3. Then area of the cardboard, that is given 144 square centimeter. Okay. Then now we are going to find out area of the cardboard painted by Venu. Okay, area of the cardboard painted by Venu. So for that you can multiply 3 by 6 with 144. That is, you can multiply the fraction given with the area. Okay, now 3 by 6 into 144, you can multiply 3 into 144 first, then divide the answer by 6. Then you will get the answer 72 square centimeter. So area of the cardboard painted by Venu is 72 square centimeter. Got it, children? Okay. Now the same way you have to find out the area of the cardboard painted by Raj. Okay. So 1 by 3, and we know the fraction of cardboard painted by Raj is equal to 1 by 3, isn't it? So 1 by 3 into 144. That is, first you multiply 1 with 144 and then divide it by 3. Okay. So when you are dividing 144 by 3, you will get the answer 48 square centimeter. Got it, children? So here we can find out the area of cardboard painted by Venu is 72 square centimeter. Area of cardboard painted by Raj is 48 square centimeter. Isn't it, children? So you can write in the last step as therefore Venu painted 72 square centimeter of the cardboard and Raj painted 48 square centimeter of the cardboard. Clear, children? Okay. Now let's move to the next example question. Question is, find if 2 by 11 of 154 and 4 by 7 of 49 are equal to each other, or one of them is greater than the other. Okay, children, so here you have to compare the answers of these questions. That is 2 by 11 of 154 first you have to find out, then 4 by 7 of 49 you have to find out, then you compare both answers and tell which is the greater one. Okay, or which it is greater or it is same. Now let's answer. To find if the fractions of the numbers are equal, we first find their values and compare them. Okay, 2 by 11 of 154. How we can find out? 2 by 11 into 154. That is, first multiply 2 with 154, then divide it by 11. So here you will get answer 28. Okay, when you are dividing 308 by 11, you will get answer 28. Okay, and then find out 4 by 7 of 49. So first you can multiply 4 with 49, then divide the answer by 7. That is 196 by 7. And here also you will get the answer 28. Okay, therefore here you can understand both the answers are same, isn't it? Both are 28. So you can write therefore 2 by 11 of 154 is equal to 4 by 7 of 49. Okay, children. So these are some questions based on finding fraction of a number. My dear children, everyone, please go through it and study this type of questions which are given in our workbook and try to answer that all, which is based on this topic. Okay, children, so I am winding up for today. Thank you.